Hey friends, hope you're doing great, and in this video we are going to talk about the RRB PO and clerk prelims examination. So you have exactly 13 days left, and in these 13 days we are going to go for the concept, speed and accuracy. And remember, these are the three things that is required in the prelims examination. So your concept will be clear when you learn your basics, and I hope you have cleared your concept by now. And speed, when your speed will increase, that's the most important question that I used to receive. So the speed can be increased when you decrease the timer. So you are going to keep a timer with you, maybe your mobile or your table clock, whatever it is. So you are going to decrease the time from your usual time, and this is how you are going to get the increment in the speed. And then accuracy, so when you will attain the accuracy, when you will practice it with your concept as well as your speed. So now these 13 days we are going to divide into parts. The first part is from 19 to 24, when we are going to go for the concept learning process as well. For some time there may be so many beginners who are still learning who are still in the learning process. So for them it's very important that they learn the concepts properly. So I have divided each day of from 19 to 24 in morning and evening half. So in a morning half you can go for the concept learning process in the form of topic practice. So this is also a type of practice that the candidates who are already giving the examinations, who are already acquainted with the syllabus, who already knows the concept, so they can also go for the topic practice. And this topic practice can be done from SmartKira, Olipod and Tough 247 app. And during these days from 19 to 24 you need to practice mocks, at least one mock, and maximum two mocks you can go for, and then you can go for the daily quizzes. So these three things can be done in the first 6 days. Now coming to the 7 days, that is RTC, means round the clock. So round the clock you need to go only for the test and mocks. So mocks maximum 3 you can attempt. I'll also be talking about the three numbers that I'm putting here, so I'll be talking about it. And then you can go for the daily quizzes. So this is also very important because you will already get a timer set there. You don't have to go for the timer setting manually. And then sectional test also is very important, so that your concepts are more clear. Then PYQ means previous year questions. So these previous year questions must be done only in the last 3 days, because these previous year questions are such questions which will be little bit similar to the questions this year. So you need to be acquainted with the pattern for this year. So you need to practice only in the last 3 days. Now when I'm talking about this, the first question is if you are attempting 3 mocks, then will there be any limitation? So you see, when you are taking a subscription of any website for a mock, you will be getting SBI mocks, you will be getting IBPS as well as RRB. So there will be many number of mocks that you can go for. And when we are talking about RRB, it's not mandatory that you need to practice only the RRB mocks. You can go for IBPS as well as the SBI mocks. So you can go for all. Next question is 3 mocks and 2 mocks is too much for a day. But remember, if you want this job, then you will easily erase the difference between today and tomorrow. There will be no time frame for you. Although I'm saying that round the clock or morning and evening, there will be no such time for those dedicated candidates who are willing to get this job this year. So I hope you have understood the whole concept of how you are going to practice till your examination in these 13 days. So thank you.